So students, in the previous class we have discussed about noun. So today in this class we will discuss about the classification of noun. So students, as you can see here in the board, it is classification of noun. So students, as we know that there are 5 kinds of noun, and these are proper noun, number 1 proper noun, number 2 common noun, number 3 material noun, number 4 collective noun, and number 5 abstract noun. So once again, there are 5 kinds of noun. Number 1 proper noun, number 2 common noun, number 3 material noun, number 4 collective noun, and number 5 abstract noun. So today we'll discuss one by one all of these nouns. Okay. Now come to the first one. It is proper noun. So we can see here in the board, it is proper noun. P-R-O-P-E-R, proper noun. So what do we mean by proper noun? Look at the definition. Proper noun indicates the names of persons or some distinguished things. So what do we mean by proper noun? Proper noun indicates the names of persons or some distinguished things. And in Bengali we can say proper noun e কোনো ব্যক্তি বা কোনো বিশিষ্ট বস্তু, পশু, পাখি, জায়গা, পাহাড়, নদ নদী ইত্যাদির নাম বোঝায়. So once again in Bengali we can say that proper noun e কোনো ব্যক্তি বা কোনো বিশিষ্ট বস্তু, পশু, পাখি, জায়গা, পাহাড়, নদ নদী ইত্যাদির নাম বোঝায়. For example, we can say first example, we are proud of Netaji. We are proud of Netaji. Here Netaji is proper noun. Go to the second example. Here we can see Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Here Delhi is the proper noun. Okay students, now come to the second one. It is common noun. C-O-M-M-O-N, common noun. N-O-U-N, common noun. So what do we mean by common noun? Look at the definition of common noun. Here we can see common noun, C-O-M-M-O-N. Common noun denotes any and every person or thing in common. Once again, common noun denotes any and every person or thing in common. In Bengali we can say common noun এক জাতীয় প্রাণী বা বস্তুর একটিকে না বুঝিয়ে সাধারণভাবে তাদের প্রত্যেককে বোঝায়. So in Bengali we can say common noun এক জাতীয় প্রাণী বা বস্তুর একটিকে না বুঝিয়ে সাধারণভাবে তাদের প্রত্যেককে বোঝায়. For example, we can say here the cow is a domestic animal. Once again, the cow is a domestic animal. Here cow is the example of common noun. Next example we can see the horse can run very fast. The horse can run very fast. Here horse is the example of common noun. So now move to the next one. As we can see here, it is material noun. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material noun. So what do we mean by material noun? Material noun denotes the name of a matter or substance. Once again, material noun denotes the name of a matter or substance. In Bengali we can say material noun e কোনো matter বা পদার্থের নাম বোঝায়. So in Bengali we can say material noun e কোনো matter বা পদার্থের নাম বোঝায়. For example, first one, it is milk is white. Milk is white. So here milk is the example of material noun. Why? Because we know that material noun denotes the name of a matter or substance. Okay, now go to the next example. I want a glass of water. I want a glass of water. Here water is the example of material noun. Okay students, now look at the number 5. It is abstract noun. So number 5, it is abstract noun. A-B-S-T-R-A-C-T, abstract noun. abstract noun. So what do we mean by abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of a quality, state or action. So once again, abstract noun is the name of a quality, the name of a state, or you can also say the name of an action. So abstract noun is the name of a quality, state or action. In Bengali we can say je noune দোষ গুণ অবস্থা বা কাজের নাম বোঝায় তাকে abstract noun বলে. Once again in Bengali we can say যে নাউনে দোষ গুণ অবস্থা বা কাজের নাম বোঝায় তাকে বলে abstract noun. For example, first one, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Here honesty is the example of abstract noun. Now go to the second one. It is the judgment is wrong. The judgment is wrong. Here the judgment is wrong. So here the judgment is the example of abstract noun. So here the judgment is the example of abstract noun.